In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. So from our Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right. And in here, we're going to click on Receive Crypto. Select the crypto that you want to transfer in here. And in this tutorial, I'm going for Ethereum. So I see it already in here. So I'm going to click on Ethereum. Right now, select a certain network. And in here, it's really important to select the same network as you're going to select on your Trust Wallet. So I'm just going for Ethereum in here. And if the networks on Trust Wallet and Coinbase do not match, your crypto may get lost in the transfer. So it's really important that they match with each other. So I'm going for Ethereum. And now I'm going to copy this wallet address to my clipboard. And then I'm going to my Trust Wallet app. From our Trust Wallet app, we're going to click on Send. And in here, we're going to select the crypto that we want to send, and that is Ethereum. And I already see in the black box after ETH that it says Ethereum. So this means that the network is Ethereum. So you can also change the network in here. So when you click on Ethereum, you will only see the Ethereum network. So now I know 100% sure that this is the right network. So let's click on this. And in here, we're going to enter the wallet address that we just copied from Coinbase. So let's paste it in. And in here, we're going to select an amount. So let's say we want to transfer $3 of Ethereum. Then we're going to click on Next. So in here, you will see the fees that you have to pay for this transfer. And that is $10. And if everything is all right, go ahead and click on Confirm. So the transaction is in progress. Right now, we can see the transaction details in here. And we can go to our Coinbase app to see if the transfer is already processed. So as you can see in here at the top, we have received our Ethereum and my balance is topped up. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.